Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we will learn what is val and var. So basically these two are used to declare a variable in Kotlin, and there is only one difference between these two. When I declare a variable with val, so it cannot be changed. It means that val is immutable. You cannot change the value after assigned it. Like if I declare val course is equal to Kotlin, so inside this main class I cannot change the value of this course. Like if I want to change now, so I will get an error, and the error I will get because I assign this course is val, so this variable cannot be reassigned, okay, because it's immutable. And when I change it to var, so it means that this is the initial value Kotlin, and after some time I get some data, or when I perform some operations, so the value of course will be changed. Like I'm saying now it should be 2.0.0. so if I print this course, you can run it from here, so you will get the updated value because I assigned it with var. So if I assign the first initial value, so it will give me the initial value is Kotlin, and the updated value is Kotlin 2.0. so var is mutable, mean you can change the value after assign it. So this is the basic difference between val and var.